Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through this powerful website which helps you drive impact on your social media from engagement to ROI. And the name of the website is called Agorapulse. So in this video, I'm going to create a free tutorial and a review about this website. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this website. So let's get started. What is Agorapulse? So Agorapulse is like a swift arming knife for your social media marketing. So it's a comprehensive social media management tool that brings all your crucial activities under one roof. So instead of juggling multiple platforms and tools, Agorapulse lets you schedule posts, engage with your audience, and analyze your performance from high users-friendly dashboard. So either you are a one-person show, or a managing lag team, Agorapulse help you streamline your workflow and maximize your impact on internet space. So there's a lot of hidden features about this website who makes it stand out among all other websites. For example, one of the most top benefit of Agorapulse is it provide a unified social inbox. So it is stated right here, which is the core features of this website. It provides unified inbox. You can see conquer the chaos in your social inbox. So equip yourself with everything needed to easily manage all your organic and paid post, comment, mentions, private messages, and reviews in one centralized inbox. So you have access to a centralized inbox where you gain access to your comments, your mentions, your private messages, and your review, all in one place without you have to start moving from one app to another from different social media platforms. You can have access to these messages, all comments, all likes, all private messages, even reviews in one place. You can get to access them or then figure out what you have to do with them, which makes it more easier to access them. Next thing, you also get access to one of the top benefits is publishing. So everything you need for social publishing is there. So many publishing options from one tools. Optimize every piece of content you schedule and post to your social media profile, all from just one social media management tools. So this actually provide another tools for you to publish your content, schedule content. You can do scheduling, you can schedule content, you can do post scheduling, you can also do a lot of things with this social publishing, which help you to upload, schedule, and also upload content on your social media platform with a time frame. So this is awesome, and also this is free to use. You have free 30 days, no card required, support all network, just for you to be able to get access to these features. Then we have the listening option, which is one of the core important. With this also, these tools actually monitor your conversation about your brand, create an actionable search to find out what everyone's saying about you and your competitors. Listing and capture conversations from social network, thousands of website news, and millions of blogs. So this actually works for you. It helps you gather information about from your competitors, what they think about you, your social media platform, their reviews, and some news comments, news websites, and a lot of blogs. This actually helps you to do that. So it is called social listening. It also stay on the top of the conversation with a robust social listening tools. It tracks your mention, your hashtag, and your industry keywords to gain valuable insights into your audience and the competitors, which makes it unique. Then we have the other, which is reporting. So like what we have here, reporting, which is a social reporting metric that matters. So this also measures your social media performance with in-depth details reports. See how your content is performing, track your audience growth, and understand your social media ROI, which is a full data pack report quickly to tell you what works and what is not. So it's your social media effort. So this is also unique. which makes it cool. Then you also gain access to team collaboration. Collaboration. This actually works seamlessly with your team, even if you are a mile apart. Assign tasks, track your progress, and maintain your brand consistency across all your social media channels, which is super unique. You also gain access to Facebook specific features, which is Facebook, which also help you manage your Facebook page, Facebook group, like grow, schedule posts, run contests, and moderate comments and at ease. You also gain access to YouTube management. And also you also get a perfect for small business, which makes it stand out. That's that. Also gain access to all these AI features, which is these advanced features, and the one of the advanced features from this Agorapulse is AI written assistance, which actually help you to write it better faster. It also create a post links in bios, which link in bio tools from Agorapulse. Also gain an advocacy, which amplify your message to boost your audience and your reach, rather, and also gain access to an excellent customer support, which makes it easier. You have gain access to 24/7 customer support, which is super cool. Yeah. So now here's a couple of network integration that I get from this website. Gain all this network integration from Facebook, which is a streamline your Facebook management. Instagram, which build your organic growth on Instagram. They also help you grow your X account, which is effortlessly. You also build a strong LinkedIn performance, the Pinterest, the TikTok, the YouTube, the Thread, and the Google analytics, which is awesome. This is a great website that helps you manage all of this. So let's check through their pricing plan. Here's the pricing plan. The pricing plan is into the monthly and to yearly. So if it is an annual, if you want this calculation based on annual, you get a standard payment of $79, which is annual. Then you get access to all these features, starting from the post scheduling, unlimited post, draft post, unified publish calendar, standard social inbox, automated inbox, and back to a couple and a lot of features like that. So you also get access to the professional mode, which is paid around $119. Then you get access to 10 social profile, then $10 per month additional social profile, and you get access to all these hidden features, which is awesome. Then again, we have another plan, which is advanced, which is around $149 per annual, and 10 social media profile with $10 per month additional social profile. Then you get access to this and all of these features. You have a free 30 days trial with no cards required. So after 30 days, then you can proceed with the payment and also scratch paid. And the next plan is the custom plan, which is a custom solution tailored to your business need. And this comes with a bunch of tools. For example, gain access to unlimited social profile, unlimited shared calendar, unlimited inbox moderation rules, priority email chat, video calls, dedicated account manager. You have a quarterly business review, a single sign-on SSO and CRM integration. You also get scheduling Facebook posters post and open report API. But this plan's payment subscription is not reviewed. So for you to get that, you have to get back to their customer service just to get an approved price for that. And this also, and they also check through their plan to other websites. A compared plan rather within the website. They have about 5 plan. They have the free plan, the standard plan, the professional plan, the advanced plan, the custom plan. Yes, they have to draw it out. You can get back to their website to check through. Then you know what you are paying for. And if you want to get started, we also offer a free services for just about 30 days. And after that, the card is required. So just to get started, tap on try for free. So just get started. You can also start as a demo, but since it is free, just get started, create an account using your email. After that, confirm your email, input your password, then sign up, then follow the next prompt, then which is to verify your account, your company name, your brand name, then all other information about your brand, then get started and start exploring. That's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow.